We have discussed about the vitamin B5, that is the pantothenic acid. This is also water soluble vitamin. Okay, vitamin B5 is also known as the pantothenic acid. It is a water soluble vitamin and it was discovered by the Roger J. Williams in 1919. Tissue extract from variety of biological materials provide a growth factor for yeast. This growth factor identifies a pantothenic acid. कशामध्ये आयडेंटिफाय झालेलं आहे? इन द ग्रोथ फॅक्टर यूज फॉर द टिश्यू biological material. Okay, different types of biological material used for the used, and it provide a growth factor for yeast. This growth factor identify the pantothenic acid. This word derived from the Greek word that is the pantos, meaning everywhere. It is a part of coenzyme A and essential for the metabolism of CHO, fat and protein. Okay, ketone groups, fats and proteins याच्या different metabolic processes मध्ये काय होते? Pantothenic acid involve होते. This is the structure of pantothenic acid. दिलेला आहे. Pantothenic acid containing both hydroxyl and nitrogen groups or amino groups. Dietary source of vitamin B5. Top 10 vitamins of vitamin B5, that is the avocado, then chicken liver, then after bunflower, then salmon, yogurt, mushroom, corn, sun-dried tomatoes, cauliflower and broccoli. These are the different dietary sources of vitamin B5. Daily requirement of this vitamin: men require 10 mg, women require 10 mg and children require 5.5 mg. Okay. Metabolism of pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid is a precursor of coenzyme A, which is a factor for a variety of enzyme catalyzed reaction involving transfer of acetyl group. Function of pantothenic acid include oxidative metabolism of carbohydrates, gluconeogenesis, synthesis and degradation of fatty acids, and synthesis of steroids, that is the cholesterol, steroid hormones, sphingosine, citrate, acetate and pyropyrines. Taking additional B5 increase the amount of coenzyme A available for use in the cell. The more coenzyme A, the more fatty acid can be metabolized, which means they are oxidized or burned up as an energy production. Okay, this is the involvement or functioning of the pantothenic acid in variety of oxidative metabolic processes, that is the carbohydrate metabolism, then gluconeogenesis, breakdown of glucose, then synthesis and degradation of fatty acids and synthesis of steroids, steroidal hormones, sphingosine, then acetoporphyrines, etc. Okay. Functioning of the vitamin B5. Vitamin B5 plays an important role in helping the release energy from sugars, starches and fats. Okay. शुगर, स्टार्चेस अँड फॅट्समध्ये जी काही एनर्जी स्टोर्ड असते ती रिलीज करण्यासाठी, ब्रेकडाऊन करून त्यामधून काय होतं, एनर्जी रिलीज करण्यासाठी पॅन्टोथेनिक ॲसिडचा खूप मोठा रोल आहे. विटॅमिन B5 इज अन इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर रिलीजिंग एनर्जी stored as fat. It is equally important for the creation of fat. Two basic types of fat, fatty acids and cholesterol, both require coenzyme A from B5 for their synthesis. This vitamin is the water soluble but involved in the different fatty acid metabolism. Okay, synthesis of different types of fatty acids. Sometimes it is important for the body to make small chemical changes in the shape of the cell proteins. This vitamin B5 is used in the case. They are essential for the cell metabolism. They are very helpful in cholesterol metabolism. It accelerates the wound healing. जे काही जखमा भरण्यासाठी पण हे विटामिन बॉडीमध्ये खूप गरजेचं आहे. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज ॲज अ अँटी स्ट्रेस फॅक्टर. ॲलर्जीज, हेडॅक्स, आर्थरायटिस, सोरोसिस insomnia, asthma and infections all have been treated with some effectiveness using vitamin B5. Okay, these vitamins involved in variety of treatment of variety of diseases. Now the vitamin B6, that is the pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 refers to a group of chemically very similar compound which can be interconverted in biological system. Vitamin B6 is a part of vitamin B complex group and its active form, that is the pyridoxal 5-phosphate, serves as a cofactor in many enzymes reactions in amino acid, glucose and lipid metabolism. Vitamin B6 कुठे कुठे इन्वॉल्व होतं? It acts as a cofactor in many different enzymatic reaction in amino acid, glucose and lipid metabolism. It acts as a cofactor in the form of pyridoxal 5-phosphate. It is a white crystalline substance soluble in water and alcohol. ठीक आहे, white crystalline substance. This is soluble in water and alcohol. Pyridoxine hexagonal ring आहे त्याच्यामध्ये and it containing both acidic and amino group. Okay. Dietary source of vitamin B6, that is the milk, fish, vegetables, beans, egg, peanuts, sunflower seeds, etc. Vitamin B6 rich food daily requirement. Men and women require 2 mg, children require 1.7 mg and infants require 0.1 to 0.4 mg. MA of vitamin B6, pyridoxine फॉस्फेट मेटाबॉलिझममध्ये कुठे कुठे इन्व्हॉल्व होतं हे बघायचं आपल्याला. Pyridoxine is converted into pyridoxine phosphate in presence of enzyme pyridoxal kinase and phosphatase. Pyridoxine phosphate is converted into pyridoxal phosphate. Pyridoxine phosphate converted to pyridoxal phosphate, and later on this pyridoxal phosphate is converted into pyridoxal, that is the in this process also involve pyridoxal kinase. Then number of aminotransferases reaction this vitamin is involved, that is the pyridoxal converted phosphate is converted into pyridoxamine phosphate, and lastly pyridoxamine phosphate converted into pyridoxamine. In this reaction, in this different metabolic reaction involve the vitamin B6. Functions of vitamin B6: it make antibodies inside the body, and antibodies are needed to fight many diseases, maintain normal nerve functions, make hemoglobin. Hemoglobin carries oxygen in the red blood cells to the tissue. A vitamin B6 deficiency can cause form of anemia. Break down proteins. The more protein you eat, the more vitamin B6 you need. Keep blood sugar in normal ranges. Assist in the balancing of sodium and potassium level. It promotes RBC production of serotonin, dopamine, noradrenaline and adrenaline. These are the different functions of vitamin B6. Okay, and sources पुन्हा एकदा बघू. These are found in the milk, fish, vegetables, egg, beans, sunflower seeds and peanuts. Vitamin B7, that is the biotin. Vitamin B7 or biotin is also known as the vitamin H or coenzyme R. It is a water soluble B vitamin. Okay, biotin is a coenzyme for carboxylase enzyme involved in the synthesis of fatty acid, isoleucine, valine and gluconeogenesis. ग्लुकोज ब्रेकडाऊन करण्यासाठी पण काय केला जातो, या विटामिनचा यूज होतो. त्यानंतर सिंथेसिस ऑफ डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ अमिनो ॲसिड, दॅट इज द आयसोल्युसिन, ल्युसिन अँड व्हॅलिन. Then synthesis of fatty acid, this vitamin is used. This vitamin also contains the amino group and hydroxyl group and one ketone group. Dietary sources of this vitamin B7, that is the egg, yeast, cauliflower, raspberries, bananas, walnuts, almonds. Okay. Daily requirement, men and women 100 to 200 mcg Children require 50 to 200 mcg and infants require 35 mcg. Functions of vitamin B7. Sufficient intake of vitamin B7, that is the biotin, is important as it helps the body to convert food into the glucose, which is used to produce energy, produce fatty acids and amino acids that are the building blocks of proteins. Activate protein and amino acid metabolism in the hair root and fingernail cells. Okay. The European Food Safety Authority, which provides scientific advice to assist policymakers, has confirmed that clear health benefits have been established for the dietary intake of biotin. Vitamin B7 in contribute to normal macronutrient metabolism, normal energy yielding metabolism, maintenance of normal skin and mucous membrane, the normal function of the nervous system. It maintains the normal hair, normal psychological functions. Okay. Vitamin B9, that is the folic acid. It is also very important. Folic acid, folacin or folate. It is a water soluble vitamin. It is a low crystalline substance. And dietary sources of the vitamin, that is the lentil, then barloti beans, chickpeas, black beans, white beans, red beans, cabbage, turnip greens, lime beans. Okay, these are the different types of beans. व्हाईट मशरूम पण येतात. त्यानंतर येलो बीन्समध्ये हा चना येईल, सोयाबीन. ओके. तर मूग आहे, ग्रीन बीन्स, दॅट इज द ग्रीन बीन, उडीद, मूग, उडीद, देन स्पिनॅच. या डिफरंट याच्यामध्ये काय आहे, व्हिटॅमिन B9 आपल्याला मिळेल. दॅट इज द फॉलिक ॲसिड. हे पण खूप जास्त इम्पॉर्टंट व्हिटॅमिन आहे. मेटाबॉलिक रोल, फॉलिक ॲसिड converted the DHF to THF, dihydroxyacetone phosphate, and different types of hemocysteines production reactions and production of sulfate. Different types of metabolic processes involve the folic acid. It interferes in the mechanism of blood formation or hemoglobin formation. Okay. Functions of vitamin B9. Formation of RBC. Folic acid is the combination with vitamin B12 is essential for formation and maturation. Now it is necessary for the growth and division of all body cells. Hair and skin is essential for the health of skin and hair. Pregnant woman, it is important nutrient for the pregnant woman and her developing fetus. And folic acid improves the lactation. Okay. Synthesis of DNA require this vitamin. Transfer of single carbon units. Synthesis of adenine and guanine. Anti-cancer drug methotrexate. Then homocysteine metabolism, it also involved in the neurotransmitter formation in the body. Okay. Then vitamin B12, that is the cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is the complex organomatrix compounds called as the cobalamin, which is cobalt containing porphyrin. It is freely soluble in water. Sources of vitamin B12, it is mostly found in animal products such as the meat, shellfish, milk, cheese and eggs, clams, oysters, mussels, caviar, fish egg, octopus, crab, lobster. The great source of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 कशामध्ये मिळते आपल्याला? Milk, cheese, then different non-vegetarian diet, that is the fish, eggs, octopus, crab, lobster, the great source of vitamin B12. metabolism of vitamin B12. Coenzyme B12 react to C-CO bond, participate in three main types of enzyme catalyzed reaction. First, that is the isomerization reaction. Second, that is the methyl transferase reaction, and third, that is the dehalogenase reaction. You know that this isomerization reaction, methyl transferase reaction involve in the different metabolic processes, photosynthesis in plant and respiration in both plant and animals. Okay, glycolysis जिथे होतं, glycolysis glucose converted into the glucose metabolism मध्ये ग्लुकोज काय होतं ग्लायकोलिसिसमध्ये ब्रेकडाऊन होतं. त्याच्यात डिफरंट रिॲक्शन्स काय आयसोमरायझेशन रिॲक्शन आहे. त्या डिफरंट रिॲक्शन्समध्ये काय होतं विटॅमिन B12 इन्व्हॉल्व होतं. रिअरेंजमेंट इन विच द हायड्रोजन ॲटम इज डायरेक्टली ट्रान्सफर्ड बिटवीन द टू ॲडजस्टंट ॲटम विथ द concomitant exchange of the second substituents, which may be carbon atom that substitutes an oxygen atom upon alcohol or amino. These are used as the vitamin B12. But isomerization reaction, दिलेलं नाही आहे थोडं त्यांनी. आयसोमरायझेशन रिॲक्शन पण क्रेब्स सायकलमध्ये पण आणि ग्लायकोलिसिसमध्ये पण डिफरंट रिॲक्शन जे आहेत ते आयसोमरायझेशन रिॲक्शन आहे. जसं अल्फा क्युटोग्लुटारेट कन्वर्ट टू अल्फा क्युटो सक्सिनिल कोएन्झाइम कन्वर्ट टू अल्फा क्युटोग्लुटारेट. ती पण तिथे पण काय आहे हे जे विटॅमिन B12 आहे इट ॲक्ट्स एज अ कोएन्झाइम. methyl transferase reaction, methyl group transfer between two molecules. These use MEB12 methyl cobalamin forms of the vitamin. And dehalogenation reaction in which the halogen atom is removed from an organic molecule. Enzyme in the class have not been identified in humans. Functions of vitamin B12. Red blood cells essential for the production of RBCs. Nervous system, it improves the concentration, memory and balance. It is important for metabolism of fat, carbohydrate, proteins, folic acid. It promotes the growth and increase appetite. Due to the deficiency of this enzyme, it leads to megaloblastic or pernicious anemia and demyelination and reducible nerve cell death. Okay. Last, that is the vitamin C. That is the non-B complex water soluble vitamin. That is the ascorbic acid. It is also called ascorbic acid and antibiotic vitamin. It is the most active reducing agent. It is powerful antioxidant synthesized by most animals, not by humans. काय होतात मोस्ट ॲनिमल्समध्ये सिंथेसाइज होतं पण ह्युमन्समध्ये हे सिंथेसाइज होत नाही. ओके. Dietary sources of vitamin C, that is the grapes, then pineapple. Main source, that is the lime fruits, lemon, sweet lime, then orange, okay, papaya, avocado, strawberries, grapes. These are the different sources of vitamin C. Daily requirement, men and women require 70 to 90 milligram. Children require 40 milligram. Infant require 25 milligram, and pregnant and lactating women require 80 milligram. Okay. The chemopreventive action of the vitamin C is attributed to of its function. It is a water soluble chain breaking antioxidant. As an antioxidant, it scavenges free radicals and reactive oxygen molecules which are produced during the metabolic pathways of detoxification. It also prevents formation of carcinogens from precursor compounds. Block and Menke 1988. The structure of ascorbic acid is reminiscent of glucose, from which it is derived in the majority of mammals. Vitamin C कुठे कुठे इन्व्हॉल्व होते डिफरंट याच्यामध्ये. जसं फ्री रॅडिकल्स बॉडीमध्ये तयार झाले ते हे करण्यासाठी किल करण्यासाठी बॉडी टोटल डिटॉक्सिफाय करण्यासाठी हे विटॅमिन खूप जास्त इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. कार्सिनोजेनिक सेल्स, कॅन्सर कॉझिंग काही बॉडीमध्ये जर फॉर्म झालेले आहेत कार्सिनोजिन्स तर त्यालाही ते पण काय होतात प्रिव्हेंट करण्यासाठी विटॅमिन सी खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. ओके. त्यामुळे मी सजेस्ट करते की सकाळी उठल्या थोडं कोमट पाण्यामध्ये एक लिंबू घ्यायलाच पाहिजे, जेणेकरून बॉडीमध्ये जे काही इन्फेक्शन हे झालं असेल, टोटल इन्फेक्शन निघून जाते. या कोरोना काळामध्ये तर व्हिटॅमिन सी ही खूप जास्त इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. मग तुम्ही कुठल्याही फॉर्ममध्ये घ्या. आवळ्याचं पावडर जरी तुम्ही घेतलं तरी चालेल, किंवा फ्रेश लिंबू असेल तुमच्याकडे ते तरी कोमट पाण्यामध्ये एक ग्लास तुम्ही रोज सकाळी उठल्याबरोबर घेतलं. टोटल बॉडी काय होतं, डिटॉक्सिफाय होतं याच्यामुळे. ओके, त्यामुळे आपण फर्दर इन्फेक्शन आहे बॉडीचे ते प्रिव्हेंट करू शकतो. फंक्शन्स ऑफ व्हिटॅमिन सी: synthesis of collagen. It maintains the necessary for the maintenance of bones and proper functioning of the adrenal and thyroid gland. It acts as an antioxidant. It stimulates immunofunction, combats bacterial infections, reduce and effects of allergy producing substances, and protects vitamin A, E and some B complex vitamins from oxidation. And some other functions of vitamin B6: it protects from the destroyed calcium, then detoxify body, reduces the necessary for the repair of body functions, boost neutron oxidase reaction, promotes adrenal gland health, regulate neurotransmitter production. Okay, different functions आहेत vitamin C चे. ठीक आहे. Deficiency of vitamin C: first स्कर्वी डिसीज आहे, देन फ्रॅजिलिटी ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स, इझी बर्सिंग, हिमोरेज, पुअर हिलिंग, लवकर जखमा भरणार नाही, पेन इन बोन्स अँड मसल्स, पुअर बोन अँड डेंटिन फॉर्मेशन, कॉम्प्रोमाइज इम्युनिटी, वारंवार आपण काय पडू, आजारी पडू. ओके. डू यू नो, study shows that the large doses of vitamin C intake, at least 500 mg and above daily, have ability to prevent diseases such as the coronary heart disease, cancer, stroke and gout. To obtain 500 mg of vitamin C daily, you require either 7 medium oranges, 7 medium kiwi fruits, 7 cups of strawberries and 8 cups of orange juice. Okay. जर 500 मिलीग्राम आपल्याला बॉडीमध्ये जर घ्यायचं असेल तर आपल्याला एवढ्या प्रमाणात हे फ्रूट्स खावं लागेल. ठीक आहे. चलो, थँक्यू.